Hello everyone, it's Pierre here, Piotr Fisner. How you doing, guys? So, in this small video, I would like to tell you what Screen Protector is and why it's by Inte.Team. What does it mean? Yes. So let's make about 5 to 10 minutes video, not more than that, so that those new viewers which watch the channel for the first time would like to understand it. So, I fix electronics since the 90s, but micro soldering only for the last 2-3 years, yes, like 2.5 maybe, 2.5 years. For the day of the recording, I mean, yes. I did have attempts before, but it wasn't, you know, like a professional as I started for those years. I've got my first hot air, which was broken. I've shown on this video that I fixed it. And I've got a new hot air station as well now. So I've got 2 hot air stations. I'm trying to double all the equipment. I'm adding more equipment. I'm doing vlogs about them so that people could see. The first 200 to 300 videos were really basic equipment for few quid, you know, like soldering iron and so on. Then I've started to add up more and more equipment, and you can see that even the meter, which was a true RMS, most of the people won't use true RMS to be true, but it has a Bluetooth connection and so on, so it just been added now, like less than a week ago, yes. But that's cheap, you know, that's still cheap. You can see on this YouTube channel that you don't need a lot of dear tools. You spend on the tools maximum of about £100 maximum, and that's only few, like 1-2 devices. The rest you spend less than 50 quid or less than 10 quid to do the job. So the goal of this YouTube channel is to, one, show people that you can fix with basic tools literally almost anything, and 2 is that your knowledge counts. So I've added a lot of additional playlists, so it's segregated on different devices. I've numbered the videos so that people who would like to learn fixing electronics can have reference in the video, in particular video, to another particular video, yes, by those numbers. So yes, you've got about tools I'm using, you've got about stuff I'm buying at AliExpress, which I use for the repairs, and at other places. We're opening devices, like we've opened this to see what's inside the SSD, yes. So this YouTube channel is pretty much about repairs, yes, but not only, yes, repairs, tools for the repairs, and Inte.Team. Okay, so Inte.Team is a jaw-dropping project. Want to integrate at least 1,000 full-time repair technicians. Doesn't have to be technician, as long as they are willing to learn and work from home. Even they don't have to have a repair shop on the high street. They can have just, you know, the tools like I have at home, fix them, fix electronics, and learn. First foremost, need to willing to learn, yes, because that's the thing. Next, we plan to integrate with them so that we can have members. Now imagine yourself having 1 million members. If we will have only £1 from each member per month, we will have £1 million, yes. And you might be wondering, why do you need £1 million? You want a new Lamborghini or what, yes? No, guys, no, that's not the point of Inte.Team. Inte.Team stands for Integrity Team. So I'm showing that we need an integrity in the nation, and when we can achieve it, we can use those profits to create great projects. Like, we're talking with companies and we're trying to find schematics and build devices that will be fixable, will be better quality and fixable than we have electronics today. And why is so? Because per government statistics, if you would watch it, if you would Google yourself, you would see that we're wasting thousands of tons of e-waste each and every year in the UK. And that's a shame, because we need natural resources in order to produce new ones. And then, instead of repurposing all the electronics, yes, we've got really nasty companies which are, you know, which are against the right to repair. And they are causing the issue. You can use old even smartphone which is outdated, or iPad or iPhone. Yes, you can use them, you can repurpose them, you can even use them as a security camera, believe or not. You can use them as a ebook reader or audiobook. Yes, listen, use some old applications if you fancy. Yes, it's still working, you know. So even though you can't update it, you should be able to use it, and you can use it well for other devices, for other purposes. Yes, so we want to gather all these people, create a community of fixers, from home fixers, so people can join us. Yes, we've created bookrepair.online.co.uk for all the repair shops which want to use professional, best in niche software which helps you to run your business from A to Z, everything, including invoicing, payments online, keeping stock updated, you know, like everything. Then we've got a task management as well. So if you've got a lot of customers like I have, and you've got a lot of let's say things to get on every day, you don't lose yourself in it. Yes, because you've got organization of the work. Then we try to have one supplier for something to get decent prices and check the quality. Then all those repair shops which will be working with us can support with that supplier, and we can have guarantee always of good prices. Yes, then those electronics which we want to produce later or buy and have spare parts for will be fully fixable. Then those repair shops will have them. So as long as somebody is willing to repair stuff or learning to repair stuff with us, can get in touch. Yes, through Inte.Team, there is always my contact details or business contact details, website, and or underneath this video. Yes, and we can start cooperation either as a learning, or either as a practice, or either as a cooperation like getting customers, because we're trying to get this 1 million members. And guys, once we will achieve it, yes, we can do other projects with the same money, because now we need to produce less electronics, we won't sell all of it, and in that case, yes, in that case we've got funds. If we've got funds, we can create another great project. Yes, and another great project. So we want to teach people integrity. There is something like our mission and vision, it's below this video. It's called Intecracy, and it's time to meet in the middle. That's mean we try to match the needs of the people from the bottom, middle, and top together, so we will create this world just a bit fairer. Keep in mind, we will never make it perfect, but just slightly bit better. Yes, but that's it in this video, guys. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.